Dahlia in Durango, and you're watching the Move to the Mountains series. Today, we're at the beautiful, brand new Durango Hot Springs. Welcome to Colorado. With over 28 mineral pools and a beautiful swimming pool, this four-season destination is one of the hot spots of Durango.
The Durango Hot Springs is the first natural hot springs in the world to utilize the Aquagen system, which uses innovative technology through nano oxygen bubbles and serves as an enhancement to the mineral-rich waters, taking your experience to the next level. With daily passes, frequency cards, and annual memberships available, there are plenty of options to serve your soaking needs, as well as an on-site spa to further enjoy the exclusive amenities. Whether you're visiting for the day or the season, be sure to check out this incredible location and experience for yourself the breathtaking scenery and healing, tranquil immersion available year-round at the Durango Hot Springs. I'm Dahlia Davis with Engel & Volkers. Thank you so much for watching.